Yo, welcome back to the channel. So today we are headed downtown Toronto. It is the National Home Show. We will take you guys along for the ride, so we'll see you in Toronto. Well, we made it down to the home show. We got some underground parking because there's going to be a snowstorm later, so at least I don't have to brush off the cars. So, all right guys, let's head in. There you go, David Dobrik. You can park here. Made it to the 2018 home show. A little sneak preview here. Everybody's getting set up. Got a Starbucks. Make the drive home now. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today. Smash that like button to send us some love. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Hope your day was full of awesomeness.